An SMD resistor is a type of resistor that has been designed to be surface-mounted. These SMD resistors are typically much smaller than traditional resistors, thus taking up much less space on a circuit board. The SMD resistor stands for surface-mounted device. An SMD is an electronic component that can be mounted directly to a PCB circuit board by using surface mount technology. Surface mount technology was invented to both reduce the size of components and significantly reduce the time it takes to manufacture a circuit. Traditional through-hole resistors are made with long axial leads and are normally much larger in size than the SMD resistors. Although through-hole resistors are still used in electronics industry but are widely replaced by SMD resistors, as technology is going compact and small day by day. Surface mount technology or SMT resistors are available in a range of standard packages in terms of shape and size, agreed by the Electronics Industry Alliance, through the Solid State Technology Association, formerly known as Joint Electron Device Engineering Council. These packages are given identifying numbers derived from the approximate footprint size of the component measured in inches, that is the area that a component occupies on a printed circuit board. Resistors are available in a large amount of different packages. The shape and size of surface mount resistors are standardized. Most manufacturers use the JEDC standards. The size of SMD resistors is indicated by a numerical code, such as 0603. This code contains the width and height of the package. So in the example of 0603, imperial code, this indicates a length of 0.060 inches and a width of 0.030 inches. This code can be given in imperial or metric units. In general, the imperial code is used more often to indicate the package size. On the contrary, in modern PCB design, metric units of millimeter are more often used. This can be confusing. In general, you can assume the code is in imperial units, but the dimensions used are in millimeter. The SMD resistor size depends mainly on the required power rating. The following table lists the dimensions and specifications of commonly used surface mount packages. You can see and analyze each package code and its corresponding dimensions of length, width and height. The common packages used in electronics PCB designing are 0201, 0402, 0603, 0805, 1206, 1210, 1812, 2010 and 2512. These are the most common. However, other package size also exist. When designing a PCB with surface mount resistors, the right solder pad size and LAN pattern should be used. Otherwise, the surface mount resistor will not get fit on the solder pad. So you should keep the appropriate pad style, length, and width for corresponding SMD resistor under use. The following table shows an indication of the LAN pattern for common surface mount packages. The table lists the dimensions for soldering. You can compare the SMD resistor size table and the solder pad dimensions table already shown in video. You can analyze that the pad dimensions are little extended than the required SMD resistor length and width, so as to fully accommodate the corresponding resistor when solder. When designing the PCB, you should consult the pad style and dimension instead of SMD resistor size table. We hope you learned from this video. If you need more help, comment on video and get positive feedback. Please subscribe and so that you get more interesting tutorial video related to electronics.